Welcome back to the Car Explorer. Today we have something truly extraordinary to share with you, a vehicle that redefines the meaning of luxury travel and futuristic engineering. The 2026 Bentley Motorhome is not just a motorhome. It's a rolling mansion designed to combine the best of automotive performance, ultimate comfort, and modern lifestyle innovation. Bentley has always been synonymous with luxury, but this motorhome takes the brand into a completely new direction, where cutting-edge technology and opulence meet practicality for life on the move. When you first lay eyes on the Bentley Motorhome 2026, the exterior design immediately leaves you speechless. True to Bentley's DNA, the motorhome features a bold and elegant presence with sweeping aerodynamic lines and a front fascia inspired by the iconic Bentley grille. The LED matrix headlights integrate seamlessly with the sculpted body, giving it a futuristic but still unmistakably Bentley identity. The large panoramic windshield offers expansive visibility and makes the front feel like the cockpit of a private jet. Chrome accents, precision detailing, and flush surfaces show the kind of craftsmanship Bentley is known for. With its extended length, elevated ground clearance, and robust yet elegant stance, this motorhome looks at home both on highways and in exclusive holiday retreats. Moving to the sides, the designers have seamlessly blended luxury aesthetics with functionality. Hidden within the bodywork are deployable awnings, sleek storage compartments, and smart access panels that maintain a flawless exterior profile when closed. Large alloy wheels, equipped with advanced adaptive suspension, not only enhance the commanding presence, but also promise a ride as smooth as a limousine. At the rear, the motorhome sports a clean, modern design with futuristic taillights that mirror the brand's design language, while the integrated bike racks and storage solutions highlight the balance between lifestyle and luxury. Step inside, and the 2026 Bentley Motorhome takes you into a world of ultimate refinement. The interior feels less like a motorhome and more like stepping into a luxury penthouse suite. Every inch is wrapped in premium handcrafted leather, natural wood veneers, and polished metal accents. The spacious lounge area greets you with plush recliner seats that feature massage, ventilation, and memory functions. The seats are arranged in a way that maximizes both comfort and social interaction, while a smart retractable table can transform the space into a dining or working area within seconds. Ambient lighting, fully customizable in both color and intensity, creates the perfect mood for any occasion, whether you're relaxing after a long journey or entertaining guests. The motorhome's kitchen is a masterpiece of modern design, blending style with high functionality. It includes induction cooktops, a smart refrigerator, a wine cooler, and ample storage, all integrated seamlessly into the design. Bentley hasn't compromised on the bedroom either. It offers a king-sized bed with premium bedding, panoramic skylights, and advanced climate controls. The bathroom features a rainfall shower, marble-like finishes, and smart water management, rivaling the luxury of high-end hotel suites. Performance is where the Bentley Motorhome 2026 truly sets itself apart from conventional motorhomes. Underneath the elegant design lies a powerful hybrid drivetrain, combining a twin turbocharged V8 with advanced electric motors to deliver both immense power and impressive efficiency. With over 700 horsepower on tap, this motorhome glides effortlessly on highways, offering a driving experience unlike anything in its class. The adaptive air suspension ensures that passengers enjoy a silky smooth ride, while advanced driver assistance features such as lane centering, adaptive cruise control, and auto park systems make handling this massive vehicle surprisingly effortless. The all-wheel drive system and adjustable driving modes mean the motorhome can adapt to different terrains, from smooth city roads to rugged countryside tracks. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Car Explorer for more in-depth reviews of the cars and motorhomes shaping the future of mobility.